We're going now, Lyfstylers. Time to go. Rest up for a bit and then we're going now. Hi Lyfstyler! Magba-biking. We're going to go on biking. Bike muna tayo to keep fit. We're getting old, so we need some exercise. So let's bike. Stay safe always when you go biking. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hi Lyfstyler. It's really steep. It's so difficult to climb up. So I have to push my bike for a bit. It's so tiring. It's not easy to do biking or cycling. It really needs a lot of endurance. Yeah. Patience, focus. It's not easy to get fit, so but I don't discourage you. Just keep on going. Sit down for a bit. Oh, it's nice to listen. Rest up for a bit. Oh, oh tiring. Down. Up. My husband has left me. Here, Lyfstyler. This is the view. My husband with taking a picture of his bike. Look at the view up here. There's the Heart's Head Pike there. We'll be there in a few minutes. Just resting up. Look at the view. Nice. I managed to climb slowly but gently, safely, and I'm enjoying here with a chair beside the bin. It's so tiring. It's nice up here. Hey Daddy, say hi Daddy. Whew. Tired. So tiring. Lyfstyler, rest up. We're going now, Lyfstylers. time to go. Rest up for a bit and then we're going now. I have no phone holder in my bike, that's why I cannot vlog while biking. But my husband got the GoPro, so one day we'll upload a video with our biking journey, with a cycling journey. Hey, my shoes matches my husband's jacket. Ano? Hello mga lifestylers, mga baka sa rancho. Ay, Tagalog man na to. Lyfstyler. There, the Heartset Pike is down there. And find this, what do you call the cows? Group of cows. Herd? No. Well, we'll research that. They're so cute. Different colors. Brown, white, black. Okay. Yeah. Lyfstyler. Arrive home safe and sound. So tiring.
At least half a mile, half a kilometer probably.
Tired na. Come on.